Hello and welcome, it's Emilia here. Today video is about the soldering iron for making flowers. I have a lot of questions about these things and I thought I will record the video just to give you a better image of what I use, why I use this one, not this one, what is it, how is it called. Many different questions, and I did a little video about the tools for making fabric flowers, but I think it wasn't enough, so today I want to just talk only about that tool, what it comes with, and also why I've got two different versions. Handmade fabric flowers are the flowers that I create using cotton fabric and cutting dies, stamps, and then the soldering iron for shaping. The whole process of making these flowers is on my YouTube channel. You can check the previous videos. Of course, you can also create the leaves. Usually I use paper leaves, but recently I showed two short videos how to make cotton leaves as well. This is only if you want or if you need. These flowers looks amazing on the projects. I love to make them. They keep shape. Once you give it a shape, it will stay like that. Of course, unless you will put it under the 1 kilogram brick, then maybe it will go flat. But on the cards, on the mixed media projects, on the albums, they keep the shape. There will be also a surprise at the end of the video, so please stay stay with me, listen to what I say, and then yeah, I won't say anything else. So this little machine, this one is from Amazon, this one also is from Amazon, but this one comes with, I don't know, 15-17 attachments with the stand, so when you have it on, this whole part is hot. Okay, so then when you buy it, it's silver and then it will go yellow with the time. You will put the ends here. There is a hole on the top, so you've got different attachments, different sizes. I will talk about them in the second. You will put it here and then you secure it with that screw which you have on the side. So now when this is on, the whole thing with the screw and with the tip, the whole thing will be very, very hot. And because this is like any soldering iron would work, and this way, when you've got it hot, you can shape the stiffened fabric. This one has a funny plug. I don't know even if it's European. So I've got a extension to change it to a UK plug, but it also has this. Let me just maybe put it on. Or not, actually, I won't put it on because I just want to explain the differences and what is it about that machine. So when you put it on, you can set the temperature here. So it's starting at you've got on, then 150, 180, 210, 250 degrees. So you will just, there is a little arrow, you will just go with it and you can hear the click when it's on or off. So you can set up the temperature, which is good. So I first started with something similar to that. I had another one which I bought on Etsy, but this shop is no more anymore, so I won't be linking to that. So, but my first version was very similar to this. It just didn't have so many attachments, it had few. Then after a while I saw this one that was on Amazon and I thought, I was wondering if this hole on the top is the same as in the other one, and if I would be able to use these endings in both machines. So actually this is the UK brand, sorry, not UK brand, this is the brand which is available in the UK in the Hobbycraft. I went to Hobbycraft, I wanted to have a closer look, and I thought I'm going to buy it and try if I can use any of these which I already had, you know, with the other one for this one. And guess what, this is the same, and even if it's not exactly the same, we still have this screw here to tighten the ending here, the attachment. What I really like about this one is that it has this protective sides, because again this part will become really hot with your end, and this is just much better when I'm shaping the flowers. I can hold it here and I don't have to worry so much about burning my fingers. With this one you have to be careful, yeah, not to go too close because it will be painful. I know, it's not funny, it's not funny. Anyway, this one has a UK plug, for me much better. Hasn't got the wheel, but only high or low temperature. So I usually set it to high, and then after a few minutes I set up to low, and then I shape the flowers this way. However, this little piece comes with something like that. It has only one attachment, because this one is called mini iron, and you don't have any other endings when you buy this one. This is for ironing the garments, I think, or maybe some, I don't know, something like if you have some decorations on the garments, I can imagine. It comes with the screwdriver, and I actually like this idea because this screw is also hot when it's on. So if you want to change the attachment, you know, it's much easier to do it with the screwdriver and you're not touching the screw. If you want to change in this one, you have to have something else to be able to turn the screw. And it also has this little stand, but actually I don't use the stand because you can put it on your desk like that, because it has this plastic. So that's the main features of these. And I have one here, and I thought I can give it away. I can give it away, this one, and you can then buy any attachments, or maybe you have some at home but you don't have this little machine, so then there is your chance to win that. And to win it, you just need to comment on the video, I mean underneath the video. Okay, attachments. So there is this machine from Amazon, comes with many. I don't use them all. I will show you some I didn't even try yet, and you will see, because these look more like new. I use this one maybe once or two, but it has some really useful things. I will just go with the camera slightly closer. I hope you'll be able to see. These on the top I didn't really use. They are too large to my flowers. Look at that. But if you make some flowers for the hats, for the garments, you know, these would be perfect. This one, honestly, I didn't figure it out yet. What is it? It has this hole. I was wondering, but no. Maybe I need to, yeah. This hole is not through, or it is, but yeah, no idea what is it. So these can go, because we're not using them. I mean, I'm not using them, but these, as you can see, were used. Not this one so much, because I still finding what I want to do with it. The most tool I use is, which one, where is it? I think this one here. So it's smooth, but it's also quite straight, and then on the side when you look, it has a little angle. I use it all the time, and I wish I can buy that separately because it's my favorite one. I use it for most of the flowers. I also used it recently for the leaves, and it works amazing. So that's the favorite one. Then I also used this one for the leaves. It creates a really lovely veins because it's very thin, very pointy, so this is great. This one I used for making roses. So when you can pull the end of the petal, you know, you can just grab it and it will roll on that end. Very useful. This one is slightly wider version of the first one, and it's not so straight here on the sides. It's more like a spoon. For bigger flowers, amazing. Then we've got this, and this has the grooves on the ends, and I use them if I want to create the flowers which are more like wrinkled. They work really nice. I didn't really use the pointy one yet, and the little ball, and it for small flowers this is amazing. So all of these come with that machine, and I will give you the link below the video, but please do your own research as well. Look on different Amazon markets, maybe slightly different versions. You know, this is when I looked recently, I've seen that some of these endings are different. You definitely have all of these. Some of these sizes were different. So yeah, this is the best I can do to help you if you really want to create the flowers. One thing I saw online, and this is something my husband did for me, and I've seen it on Pinterest. So this is to hold my endings. You can put them, you just need a drill to drill the holes. They're not like through, so there are not holes on the bottom, and you can have them all in one place. I like the idea. I saw that on someone's page, and I thought, oh, that's cool. And my husband said that he can do it. Maybe I'm missing one. I don't know now, but this is a cool idea. And when I work, you know, I can have them here. I usually do not change the endings while I'm working with the machine, but if you're creating many flowers, maybe that will be useful to you to have them and to be able to change them. So yes, that's the main difference, that I've got those two, and I'm using this one more often, but I had to purchase this one to have all the endings. And this is the simple explanation why, because that's what people ask me the most regarding the name. So when I bought it, it was soldering iron for flower making. I recently looked, and I think I took maybe a screenshot. Let me just check. So this one, it's called DIY Cloth Fabric Flower Making Tools Kit Electric Fabric Flower Maker Artificial Flower Ironing Machine with 17 heads and back. So this is, you can see all these endings which I was showing you. They are here. There is this stand as well. There is a back. I don't have a back, and you can see that you can create larger flowers with these endings as well. So I think I've got all of them. Yes, I think so. And there is a sample of how to use it. You've got this wheel with the temperatures. So that's why I purchased this one, to have these tips. But I use this one because I feel much more comfortable with this one. And that's it, I think, for this video. If you will have any more questions just about the machines, let me know. Maybe in the future videos I will also break the other things into like videos like that to explain. And remember, one person can win the mini iron. Oh, this one is called Mini Iron 2. And then I definitely seen it on Amazon US and UK. But you can check your local craft shops, and probably it comes with a plug for different countries as well. If you would like to win, please comment underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this will help someone. Let me know, and also please let me know what videos you would like to see. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.